March 2026 has been the wildest month in Claude's history. Anthropic shipped 14 major features in 31 days. Hit number 1 on the App Store for the first time ever. And they accidentally leaked their next model, which sounds genuinely insane. I'm breaking it all down right now in plain English. What each thing actually is, what it means for you, and which ones to actually care about. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario, let's get into it. Feature 1. Memory is now free for everyone. Memory is what makes Claude remember you across conversations. Your name, your job, what you're working on. So instead of explaining yourself every time, it already knows you. Before, March was only for paid subscribers. Now completely free. How to turn it on? You go to settings, then capabilities, then memory, and you switch it on. There you can also see everything Claude remembers about you in that same menu. Read it, edit it, delete anything you don't want. Complete transparency. You're always in control. Also launched at the same time, a memory import tool. If you're switching from ChatGPT, go to claude.ai/import memory. Claude gives you a prompt to paste into ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates a summary of everything it knows about you. You paste it into Claude, done. No starting from scratch. Feature number 2. Interactive charts and visuals. Free for everyone. Before this update, ask Claude to visualize data, you get a text description. Now you get a live interactive chart inside the chat window. Interactive means you can hover over the data points, click on sections, ask Claude to change it. Make this a bar chart, it updates instantly. Works for charts, graphs, diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, anything visual. Try this right now. Paste any data into Claude and say, turn this into an interactive chart. It works on every plan, including the free tier. Feature number 3. Projects and skills are now free. Projects are dedicated folders for different areas of your life. Work project, YouTube project, side project. Each one has its own context, upload documents, brand guides, and reference files. Every conversation in that project uses that background automatically. Skills are reusable instruction sets you teach Claude once. Weekly report format, my brand voice, email style. Claude applies them automatically when relevant. Both used to be paid only, now completely free. Feature 4. Dispatch. I did a full video on this one, so I'll keep it quick. Dispatch connects your phone to Claude on your computer. Text a task from your phone. Claude does it on your computer. You come back to finished work. Setup, 2 minutes, scan a QR code, done. Available on Pro and Max plans. Mac only for now. Check the dedicated dispatch video on this channel for the full breakdown. Feature 5. Computer use. This is the wild one. Claude can now see your screen, move the mouse, click buttons, open apps, browse websites, navigate your computer like a person would, without you touching anything. It first checks if it has a direct connector to the app. If not, it takes screenshots of your screen, figures out what it's looking at, and navigates it the way you would. Any app on your computer, Claude can use it. Anthropic's demo, user takes Claude from their car, export my pitch deck as a PDF, and attach it to my 10 a.m. invite. Claude does it. User is still driving. It's done. Research preview, Mac only, Pro and Max plans. Don't use it for banking, legal docs or anything sensitive. Claude takes screenshots to see your screen. anything visible can be seen. Close sensitive apps first. Feature 6. The Mythos leak. This just happened this week. Anthropic accidentally exposed nearly 3,000 internal documents through a misconfiguration in their website. One of those documents mentioned a new model called Mythos. Anthropic confirmed it's real. Their description: a step change in capabilities. In AI, step change doesn't mean a minor update. It means a fundamental leap, a completely different tier of ability. What we know: Anthropic's most capable model ever built. Currently being tested, not publicly available. They also said it possesses unprecedented cybersecurity risks, meaning it's significantly more powerful than anything they've released before. No release date, no pricing, no specs, but it's coming, and I'll cover it on this channel the day it launches. A few quick bonus updates. Usage limits doubled during off-peak hours, evenings and weekends. If you've been hitting limits, use Claude in the evenings. Twice as much. Excel and PowerPoint. The Claude add-ins now share context between files. Analyze data in Excel, ask Claude to build a PowerPoint from it. Both work together. Claude Code got Auto Mode. It can now make save code changes automatically, plus scheduled tasks and Discord and Telegram integration. And Claude is now top 10 productivity app in 80 countries on iOS, up from just one country at the start of 2025. Quick recap of everything. Memory is now free for everyone. Turn it on today. Interactive charts, ask for one right now, also free. Projects and skills, create a project for your biggest work thing. Dispatch, text tasks from your phone, 2-minute setup. Computer use, Claude controls your Mac. Research preview, and Mythos is coming. And it sounds like nothing we've seen before. If you're not using Claude yet, the free plan just got significantly better. Now is the best time to start. Drop a comment. Which feature are you most excited about? I read every single comment. Share this with someone who uses Claude and doesn't know about half of this. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.